Hello friends, this is Mainak from Civil Center and I welcome all of you back to our video tutorial series on G+3 Building Design using Tekla Structural Designer. So let's get started. So friends, in the previous video we had shown how to insert slabs in our TSD model, and in this video we will move forward to see how to assign our loads. So first of all, as you can see in this menu here, we have our types of loads. First of all, we'll select dead load, and for for starting we'll apply our member loads. So first member load we'll apply is our wall load. The wall load for our exterior walls will be 11 kilonewton per meter, and for the interior walls, that is our 5-inch walls, it will be 5.5 kilonewton per meter, and for the parapet walls also we'll apply loads. Now let's get started. So we'll go to a loading and then full UDL. We've already selected dead load here, and then we'll apply a UDL of 11 kilonewton per meter. As we can see, we'll apply the dead load to all the exterior walls. Since these walls are adjacent to the staircase, we'll also apply load here. Now we are applying the loads to the exterior walls. Now we are done here. Assigning of loads to the exterior walls is complete. Now we need to assign our loads to the interior 5-inch walls. We'll check the model first whether any other changes are required. As you can see, we are almost done here. So now we can go to our load again and then just change the value of the load. So we can give a load of 5.5 kilonewton per meter to our interior walls. So all the remaining portions will assign the load of 5.5 kilonewton per meter. As you can see, it is done here. It is also to be mentioned we are working on our plinth level. As you can see here, if we select dead here, as you can see at the plinth level, all the loads have been displaced. As you can see, these are the exterior wall loads and these are the interior wall loads. The magnitude is different, is almost half. So you can also observe that difference in the 3D model. So now next thing we can do is go to a structure 1, that is our ground floor slab level, just for viewing, and here also we'll select dead and then full UDL will apply. The process is similar. First we'll apply the loading to the exterior walls, that is 11 kilonewton per meter, and then to the interior walls, and 11 kilonewton per meter will also be applied to our staircase, that is the beams adjacent to the staircase will carry the load of the main wall, that is the 10-inch wall. So this process is similar. After the assigning is complete, we'll go back to the properties and change the load to 5.5 kilonewton per meter. That is the load of the secondary walls. We are considering fly edge break here, and we are considering height of 3.2 meters, that is floor to floor height. Next we can put imposed load. For imposed load we'll go to level load and put a load of 2 kilonewton per meter square. So simply we have inserted a load of 2 kilonewton per meter square in our ground floor slab level. So after we have inserted these loads at our ground floor slab level, in the other floors we'll simply copy this by making the source as the ground floor. Next we can make all of them as unique so that any changes does not affect. As you can see, this is here dead load is selected. As you can see below, dead load is selected, so all the dead loads are being displayed here. We don't need load here, so we have deleted that. Now you can see that dead loads are being displayed here. Now if we want, we can delete any portion of the loads by simply selecting, and then we can delete. In any portions where the loading is not required, we can delete it. Actually it is the terrace portion, so we don't need the loading of the interior walls, so we are deleting it. So you should keep in mind that in the terrace portion there is no loading of the interior walls, so we can delete those portions. And in the headroom we can apply loads also. Before that, let us check our imposed loads. As you can see, the imposed loads have been applied here. So just saving the model. As you can see, the model has been saved. The dead load and the imposed load have been applied, but loading on the headroom is remaining. So we'll complete the remaining model in the next video. That's all for today. Stay tuned to our channel, and if you want to learn Tekla Structural Designer with us, you can contact 9777 46 9666. See you in the next video. Bye bye.